After trying this recipe, I have never tossed my stale bread away. The result is surprising. In a blender, add 3 slices of stale bread and 4 eggs, as well as 1 cup of milk and 800 grams of condensed milk. Mix well until smooth. Before I forget, write me in the comments where you are watching us from so that I can personally thank you for following our recipes. We'd be so happy. Now, set the mixture aside. In a pan on medium heat, add 1 cup of sugar and wait for it to melt. If you are still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video, share it, and send it to your friends. It will help us greatly. When the sugar is melted, add half a cup of water. Make sure to add it gradually. Keep stirring for about 2 minutes until it forms the caramel. Transfer the caramel in a bundt cake. Spread it evenly. Now add the mixture inside the blender as well. Cover everything with aluminum foil. Put the bundt cake inside a bigger pan. Fill it with water halfway through it. Now put it in a preheated oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 90 minutes. Then transfer our pudding in the fridge for another 2 hours. And it is ready. The result will surprise you. I am sure you're gonna love it. The pudding tastes incredible. Try it at home. I'm sure your family will love it. Now I'm gonna thank you in the comments. Hope you liked the video and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.